Hello everyone, welcome back to Virtualentsecurity. In today's video, we will be discussing whether cybersecurity is a good career option for the future or not. With the increasing number of cyber attacks and the growing importance of protecting sensitive information, cybersecurity has become a vital part of every organization's operations. So, the question is, can a career in cybersecurity be a good option for you? Well, the short answer is yes. Cybersecurity is one of the most in-demand and well-paying career options in the technology industry. According to a report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of information security analysts is projected to grow 33% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. Moreover, as the world becomes more connected through the internet, the need for cybersecurity professionals is only going to increase. In fact, it's estimated that there will be a shortage of 3.5 million cybersecurity professionals globally by 2021. This means that there are plenty of job opportunities for those interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity. But, to become a successful cybersecurity professional, you need to have certain skills and knowledge. Firstly, you need to have a good understanding of network security, cryptography, and threat intelligence. Additionally, you need to be familiar with various cybersecurity tools and technologies, as well as have experience in incident response and risk management. Low unemployment. The reality is that there is currently a great need for cybersecurity professionals as one of the primary advantages. However, it is also important to have a skill set that will enable you to find work easily and consistently, even during a recession. Being in demand. With the rapid increase in IT projects, the job is enjoying a sky-high demand. You will never run out of opportunities and can travel across countries to work on diverse projects. Opportunity to learn new things. Working as a cybersecurity specialist offers you a platform to learn new skills. It requires constant interaction with the clients and your colleagues to deliver the best results possible. In this process, one learns a lot about others, oneself, and other professions. Lastly, you need to be constantly updated with the latest developments in the cybersecurity industry, as cyber threats are continuously evolving. You can achieve this by attending training programs, workshops, and conferences, as well as by pursuing certifications such as Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CE. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a good career option for the future, with an increasing demand for professionals in this field. If you have a passion for technology and a willingness to learn, then a career in cybersecurity can be both fulfilling and lucrative. So, if you are considering a career in cybersecurity, go for it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.